In Microsoft Word, image layering order refers to the stacking of images and other objects in a document. You can use the bring forward and send backward options to change the order of the images. As you can see here, we have images on top of each other. If you select the image that you want to edit, click on Picture Format on the top menu, and then you can see here you have some different options. You have the bring forward and send backward option. Bring forward basically means that that image will be brought forward on top of whatever the next layer is. The image with the pink flowers has now been brought on top of the colourful flowered image. When using image ordering, there are two different options. You have send to back and send backwards. As we can see here, if I select send to back, that will send the image all the way to the bottom layer. I'll just bring in another image so you can see the difference between the send backwards and send to back. With the three images, we now have the picture with the pink roses, which is at the back. We have the picture with the single pink rose in the middle, and we have the colourful picture at the very front. If I select the very colourful picture, which is the top layer currently, send backward, it takes it down by one layer. If I select bring forward, it brings it up by one layer. Now if I click it send backwards and send to back, it now selects it and takes it all the way to the bottom layer. As you can see, it's now the bottom layer, with the pink roses being the middle layer and the pink rose singular the top layer. I can do the same thing as send to back with send to front. If I select the image, bring forward, bring to front, it will bring that image to be the top layer, so the very front layer. The important thing to remember is that send to back and send to front will bring it all the way to the front or back. Send backwards or send forward will bring it by one layer. And that's how you change the image ordering within your document.